Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Mindgrasp and TurboLearn, the ultimate AI study tool showdown. Are you struggling to choose between Mindgrasp and TurboLearn for your study needs? In just a few minutes we'll break it down to know which AI learning assistant deserves a spot in your study routine. Let's dive in. Well, let's look at what they're best for. Mindgrasp is best for video lectures and deep research, while TurboLearn is best for quick studying and last-minute preparation. So who's the winner? It depends on you. When it comes to AI features, Mindgrasp has time-stamped notes from videos, while TurboLearn has instant summaries and flashcards. So I'll say it's a tie. When it comes to note quality, Mindgrasp has extremely detailed notes, while TurboLearn has concise and scannable notes. So who's the winner? Mindgrasp, because of its depth. When it comes to flashcards, Mindgrasp manually creates flashcards, while TurboLearn automatically generates them and has spaced repetition. So who's the winner? TurboLearn. When it comes to pricing, Mindgrasp costs about $9.99 a month, while TurboLearn costs about $12.99 per month. So who's the winner? Mindgrasp is cheaper. When it comes to the mobile app, both of them have mobile apps, so it's a tie. When it comes to their speed, Mindgrasp takes about 2 to 3 minutes to process, while TurboLearn is near instant, so it gives you near instant results. So TurboLearn wins for sure. Now let's see. Choose Mindgrasp if you need detailed notes from long lectures and podcasts, and pick TurboLearn for fast summaries and self-testing with AI flashcards. Both of them beat traditional note-taking, that's for sure. Hope you found this video helpful. So which AI study buddy are you teaming up with? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. Now go crush those exams.